Hello friends, today we are going to learn one example from your chapter number 10, 12, and example number is 12.8. In this example, one circuit is given and you have to find different values of electric current and resistance and the value of each resistance in current. So the question is given like this, in which the first of all circuit is given. The three resistors are there, R1, R2, and R3 are in parallel, as you can see in figure, between point X and Y. Okay, and voltmeter is joined in the parallel to these three resistors. One battery is there, and key and A meter are there. So this is the circuit. As per your question, it is given there in the circuit. The R1, R2, and R3 values are 5, 10, and 30 ohms. So friends, values of R1, R2, 5 ohm, this is 10 ohm, and R3 is given 30 ohms. So these three resistors, values of resistors are given, and then they are connected with 12-volt battery. So V, value of voltage, 12-volt battery is given, and then the question, there are three questions are there. Find the current through each resistor. So first question is to find the current through each resistor is to be find. Second question is to find the total current in the circuit. So the total current in the circuit is to be find. And the third question is the total circuit resistance. The total circuit resistance. So these three things are to be find. So first of all, R1, R2, R3 are given. So to find the current through each resistor, current is what, friends? Current is I. So I is to be find. Each resistor means R1, R2, and R3. So friends, first of all, if I consider the R1 as 5 ohm, then I1 is to be find. As you know, in the parallel circuit, the voltage V remains same, and that is 12 volt. So friends, I R V, we have the simple Ohm's law. V is equal to I R, and we have to find I, friends. So we can write I is equal to V by R. So I1 is equal to V by R1, because we have to find these values for three different resistors. So I am putting here, this is 12 volt, and divided by first resistor is, friends, 5 ohm. So 12 by 5, this is your first point in which you get the answer, and that answer is, friends, 2.4 ampere. So the unit of current is ampere. Similarly, to find I2, it's V by R2, that is once again 12 volt by R2. R2 is, friends, 10 ohm. 12 by 10, it's 1.2 ampere current from the second resistors. And third one for R3, it's I3, V by R3 is equal to 12 by, this is 30. So 12 by 30, you can do it simply. 6 2 and 6 5 2 by 5, it's 0.4 ampere. So here you got the first thing, and that is what? Current through each resistor. First resistor current is 2.4 ampere. Second resistor's current you got is 1.2 ampere, and third is here 0.4 ampere. So three currents we obtained. Second is total current in the circuit. So total current is the total of the current I, I2, I1, and I3. So total current is equal to I1 plus I2 plus I3. That is 2.4 plus 1.2 plus 0.4. 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 1, friends, 4. That is, answer is 4 ampere. So this is total current we obtained. Okay. And now the final is total circuit resistance. So resistance, when we have to find total, in that case we have to find total R. And to find R, this is parallel connection. We have to apply the formula of parallel connection, that is 1 upon R is equal to 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2 plus 1 upon R3. So by putting values, 1 upon R1, that is 5, 1 upon R2, that is 10, and 1 upon R3, that is 30. You can see 5, 10, and 30. Three values are there. You have to take LCM. So LCM here is, friends, 30. So 5, 1 by 10, and 1 by 30. 30 is to be considered LCM. So here is 6, 5, 6 are 30. So here is 6, 10, 3 are 30. So this is 3 and 3. And here we don't need anything because 30 is already there. So 1 upon 30, this is 6 by 30. This is 3 by 30, and this is 1 by 30. So 1 upon R, friends, is equal to 6 plus 3 plus 1 by 30. This is 10 by 30. And this is 1 upon 3. Therefore, R is equal to reciprocal, and that is 3 ohm. So this is your answer. So this is how we have to use only two formula. One is Ohm's law, V is equal to IR. Total current can be found by just adding the all values of current, and that is in B. And finally, to find the resistors in parallel, we have to use the formula of parallel resistors, 1 upon R, 1 upon R1, R2, R3, whatever numbers are there, you can consider all of them in it. Just take the LCM and you can get the answer. Don't forget to take the reciprocal here. Okay. Thank you.